Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. I got my IPSY subscription box today. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. Ooh, this looks interesting. Brow butter? What? Okay, it says Celebrate You, March 2020. These are the products that are in the box. And another thing about giveaways. Oh my gosh, what do we have? So, Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. Let's see if I can open this without fingernails. There we go. Ooh. Okay, let's see. We have Houston, Bourbon, Bleecker, and Fifth. I kind of like that one. I like Houston too. These are pretty colors. Okay, so that's Girl Powder, Cheeks on the Go. Next we have Brow Butter in Taupe. So let's take a peek at this. There's a little brush. And then we have, come on, there we go. The Billion Dollar Brows. And that's the color. Ooh, that's dark. My goodness. Okay. Good thing I have almost black hair and I have super dark eyebrows. Okay, next. A Luna Liner Liquid Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. I hope it's black. Does it give the color on here? It says it's vegan, GMO, and gluten-free. Good. And it's not tested on animals. Luna liner. I can't tell if it's black or brown. Let's see if we can figure out how to open this thing and take a peek. Got more coffee scrub. Uh-oh, it's coconut. That's going to have to be given away. I'm allergic to coconut. Okay, I got a little bit. That didn't work. I don't like these wrappers. I wish it would just say what color it is on there. It's by Seraphine Botanicals. And then everything's all staticky and wants to stick to you. It looks black. It's black. Nice. I needed a good eyeliner. This, we have Phase Zero. This is a matte liquid lipstick. And it looks like the color is Undercover. Ooh, that's pretty. We've got almost a whole face going on here. This is Revitalizing Eye Gel by Malin and Guts. I think that's how you say it. Oh, it's a little pump, like a serum. Yeah, it feels like a serum. It's nice and silky. It says a gel, revitalizing eye gel. Well, there we go. Revitalizing eye gel. Okay, this is a coconut coffee scrub. Let me see. Let me double check. Yeah, there's coconut in here. So this will end up being a gift. I'm allergic to coconut, unfortunately, on my skin. So somebody I know will appreciate that. But here is another really cool makeup bag. This matches my wallet, the same color pink. This is not on my wallet. This is super bright. There we go. So put our items in our bag. Our girl powder. And my little blush brush that I have sitting on the side that did not come with the kit. There we go. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining me for another IPSY unboxing. Take care, and I'll see you soon.